holding back. Me and my friend came in. Shit gets odd when you live in sin. Knock at the back door and let me in. I'm a raging buffalo black, whirlwind rider, leather saddle, ready for battling any instinct. Brought myself back to an infant so I can leave that proper imprint. Imprint is so fly, so different and so shy. Everybody's gifted but so dry. I'm trying to bring that rain to grow that thought to get you by. We high off life in the best way, transitioning over the airwaves right in front of your eyes. We best play over 215s. Our essays grow within you teens that press play. My doom's been cocooned and now blooms throughout my resume. Reservoir dog barking in the back lock, trying to get unchained, then hop the fence. Break that chain of command to get to that higher plane of consciousness. Consequence of stagnation, sitting rot in damnation. What is a man without some change? Bumming the street with himself to blame. Empty pockets, empty brain. I'm sick with God, my MIDI main.